Hello everyone, my name is Saka. I am a student from grade 7/11. Today I would like to talk about my guitar and how I started playing music. I became interested in the music because I like listening to the song and watching people play the guitar. This is my guitar. I think playing the guitar is fun and exciting. When I first started, I wanted to learn how to play my favorite song. When I first started, it was not easy. My fingers hurt and I could not play the chord correctly. Sometimes the sound was not very good, but I did not give up. I started by learning simple chords and practicing every day. I learned how to hold the guitar, how to play chord, and how to change from one chord to another. After practicing for some time, I could play a few songs, and I feel really happy and proud of myself. For me, playing guitar is not only about music. It also teaches me to be patient. Practice never give up when sometimes it's difficult. I hope I can improve my guitar skill and learn more songs in the future. Maybe one day I can play guitar for my friends and my family. Thank you for listening.